Hey, my name is attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I am currently in Fort Lauderdale having an amazing time. I'm actually helping my sister go ahead and paint her house, which is why I'm wearing a dark gray shirt, as you can see probably pretty easily somewhere. I guess it's not up here, but there's a lot of paint on this shirt. So let's go ahead and begin with what a CE is. A CE is a consultative examination, popularly known in the industry as somewhat biased. Medical appointments. So think of it this way. When you go to trial, normally each side will have their medical experts, right? The medical expert on side A will say, it's the left, it's the left. The medical expert on side B will say, it's the right, it's the right. And then you go to trial, and based upon what those medical experts come to a conclusion with, they decide the claim based upon that. Well, similarly to that, you have a medical expert, usually on behalf of, always on behalf of the SSA, that is coming to give testimony as to what kind of issues you have. They're basically there to do a diagnostic impression. They do not form a doctor-client privilege with you, okay? So if you're not sure what that is, a doctor-client privilege is essentially where you have a, safe communication zone with your doctor, where your doctor can't spread that information without some sort of federal law allowing him to disperse that information, usually through HIPAA or a directive letter or something like that. So let's go ahead and talk about that. A CE is a consultative examination where the SSA's doctor, which is usually a specialist, because the higher up the chain of medical qualifications that individual has, the more likely they're to win in the weight of evidence battle as part of your adjudication, okay? So let's go ahead and talk about some of the things that you need to know for your CE. First and foremost, if you need a cab to get you there, you can request a cab to get you to your CE. Usually your attorney will go ahead and do this if you need one, but this is purely a need-based situation because these cabs are really, really expensive, okay? Next thing is, one of the things they're going to ask you when you're there is, hey, did you arrive here via car? Did you arrive here via bus? Did you arrive here via cab? How did you get here? They want to know this because if you're there for a psychological assessment, they want to know, hey, were you able to get along with other people in the bus? Were you able to follow instructions? Were you able to, take instruction from the bus driver? Things like that. They're starting to do an assessment of how well you get along with society and those things you would need in society to get to a job. However, if you're going for physical reasons, they want to know, did you go on a bus? Did the bus lower itself for you? Did you have to step up pretty high to get onto the bus? Did you have any issues sitting down, standing up? Did you have any issues where you had to stand and stay in a standing position for an extended period? Stuff like that. The upcoming videos I'm going to be doing are pertaining to more of what you need to watch out for. This is kind of an introduction script as to what a CE is. So just understand CE, medical appointment, usually specialist, set up by, paid for by the SSA. All right, my name is attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III with Disability Resolution PA. I'm an Orlando, Orange County-based Social Security disability attorney. I have more Social Security disability videos, tutorials up than any other attorney in the entire world. So if you have a particular thing you'd like covered, let me know. This video may not be up to date, so give me a call if you want the most up-to-date information. If you want something in particular covered, give me a call. All right? I'll catch up with you a little bit later from there, and you have an absolutely wonderful day. Thank you so much, and we'll go from there. Bye-bye.